Ever wondered why your phone snaps a 4K photo in a flash, but training an AI to do the same takes weeks? The answer lies in how these systems see the world, and a breakthrough called PAROAttention is rewriting the rules. Today, we're diving into how this technique is making AI video generation faster, smarter, and way more efficient. Let's break it down. Here's the core challenge. AI video models are like hyper-accurate chefs trying to cook a 10-course meal with a broken oven. They process massive amounts of data. Think of it as a puzzle with millions of pieces. Traditional models use attention mechanisms to focus on key details, but here's the catch. They're slow. For a single video, they juggle thousands of tiny data chunks called tokens, and the more tokens, the longer it takes. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube while juggling textbooks. So how do we fix this? Two common approaches: sparsification and quantization. Sparsification is like decluttering your desk, removing unimportant tokens to save time. Quantization is like switching from a 4K movie to a low-res version, using fewer bits to store data. But here's the issue: visual attention isn't neat. It's scattered, dynamic, and hard to simplify without losing quality. It's like trying to organize a tornado. That's where PAROAttention steps in. Instead of fighting the chaos, researchers reorganize the data. Think of it as tidying your desk by grouping similar items together. By rearranging tokens into a structured, block-wise format, they made it way easier to apply sparsification and quantization. It's like sorting your puzzle pieces by color before you start. Suddenly, the picture makes sense faster. Here's the magic. PAROAttention doesn't just speed things up, it keeps the quality the same. Tests showed it matched full precision models while using 20–30% fewer tokens, and 8-bit or 4-bit data. The result? Processing time dropped by 1.9 to 2.7 times. It's like getting the same gourmet meal, but using a smaller kitchen and simpler tools. So why does this matter? Faster AI means real-time video generation, smoother apps, and cooler creative tools for everyone. And the best part? The team didn't just tweak existing methods, they rethought the entire approach. By reorganizing attention patterns, they turned a messy problem into a streamlined solution. Next time you see an AI-generated video, remember, behind the scenes, smart tricks like PAROAttention are making it all possible. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Ever wondered how AI can create videos so fast it feels like magic? Today, we're breaking down a game-changing technique called PAROAttention that's making video generation smarter, faster, and way more reliable. Let's dive in. So here's the thing. AI video models are super powerful, but they're also huge. They need tons of computing power to process every frame, which makes them slow and hard to run on everyday devices. But researchers just cracked a code to make them lighter without sacrificing quality. And the secret? Two clever tricks: sparsity and quantization. Let's start with sparsity. Think of it like editing a massive cookbook. Instead of following every recipe step, you skip the ones that don't matter. PAROAttention does something similar. It cuts out 70% of the math, that's 30% sparsity, but still produces videos that look almost as sharp as the full version. Other methods, they start looking blurry at 50% sparsity. PAROAttention, it's like the superhero of efficiency. But here's the kicker: it doesn't just save time. It also uses quantization, a way to simplify numbers. Imagine switching from a high-resolution photo to a pixelated one. By using smaller numbers, like 4-bit instead of 64-bit, the model becomes tiny, like a smartphone app instead of a supercomputer. And guess what? PAROAttention stays sharp while being 2.9 times faster than the original. How do they know it's actually good? They tested it with metrics like PSNR, which measures clarity, and VQA, which checks if the video makes sense. PAROAttention crushed the competition, even when it was working with less data. Plus, unlike older methods that sometimes crashed or made weird videos, PAROAttention stayed steady, like a rock-solid assistant. So what's the big deal? This means AI video tools could soon run smoothly on your phone, or let creators generate high-quality videos in seconds. No more waiting, no more glitches. Just magic in your pocket. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this tech works in action or dig into the math, check the links below. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI's coolest tricks. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.